Right, so I'm going to do a video on testing this drain pump. So that's the drain pump there. You can tell because the drain pipe goes to it. So we'll take them two terminals off there. Just make sure you don't get them mixed up. That was the bottom, that's the top. And I've got these special leads that you can extend them with. So I'll click that one on the bottom one and this one on the top one. So basically we just extended them connections now out here. And I'll get my machine. Should be low ohms. So there you go, 170 ohms on that motor, on that pump motor. So that's pretty good. If you're going to change it, it's quite tight in there, but you've got access underneath here and through here, so but this one's good.